Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, you'll learn all about BoldSign webhooks. Webhooks send real-time notifications to other applications for immediate updates when specific events occur. Similarly, BoldSign lets you subscribe to various events associated with your account. When one of these events is triggered, BoldSign sends an HTTP post request with JSON data to the webhook endpoint you configured. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up webhooks and how subscribed events are notified to the webhook endpoint. So, let's get started. To follow along, you'll need a BoldSign account and a webhook endpoint ready to receive notifications. First, I'll open the BoldSign app and select Webhooks under the API section. Then I click the Add Webhook button at the top right corner. You can choose either app-level or account-level callbacks. An app-level webhook triggers events from applications using OAuth, while an account-level webhook triggers events from the web app or API. For this tutorial, I'll select the account-level webhook. Next, set the webhook's name so that it makes it easy to identify. Specify the webhook endpoint. Note that an HTTPS URL is required. For this tutorial, I'll use a webhook testing site that generates a unique HTTPS URL, allowing us to see all the data sent to it in real time. I copy this URL and paste it here. Then click the Verify button to confirm the URL. The URL is verified. You can subscribe to any event you want to be notified about. I subscribe to document events. You also have the option to add custom headers, secret headers, and basic auth headers to the webhook request, all of which I'll cover in the upcoming videos. Finally, click the Save button. After this configuration, you can view the JSON response at the endpoint URL with the event type set to verification. Next, I create a new document in the web app and add myself as the recipient and sign the document. Once I sign the document, I navigate to the webhook endpoint to see if I received notifications about the events triggered in the web app. I have received the completed, signed, sent, and draft created requests from BoldSign with JSON data. In data, there are document properties like document ID, signer details, and more. That's how you set up webhooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorial videos.